Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to compare the Smart Scale P2 with the Smart Scale P2 Pro and what are the main differences between these two. So the first thing, the P2 is cheaper than the Smart Scale P2 Pro. Should have like more measurements based on the side, but when I look here, this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and all of these, they are literally the same. So the measurements on both are same. Then when you're gonna look here, users you can have for family, but for the Smart Scale P2 Pro, you can have unlimited users. And here you can have one thing, is that this is the thing that you can have nutrition tracking. This is something that you don't have with the P2. Then also it's waterproof, same product weight, same. You can have ITO in the Smart Scale P2 Pro. This is another thing. And other than that, the unit increments, activation rate, connectivity, battery, all of that is the same, but these are the two main differences. So you can have the ITO and also the users and nutrition tracking, but other than that, also the measurements are the same. So this is like the big thing. And yeah, so thank you and have a great day and goodbye.